A very good morning to all of you. In the last video of polynomial, I have discussed the definition for polynomial, then identification of polynomials and also degree of polynomial. Here in this video, I am going to discuss the classification of polynomials. Generally, we divide the polynomials in category of polynomials of various degrees and on the basis of number of terms in a polynomial. One by one, I am going to consider each. Here for the first type, polynomials of various degrees. That is, on basis of degrees of the polynomial, I am going to classify the different types of polynomial. The very first one is linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A linear polynomial in x is of the form fx is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. For example, 5x plus 7 is a linear polynomial in x, root 2y minus 6 is a linear polynomial in y, minus 8z is a linear polynomial in z. Next type of polynomial, it is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial in x is of the form fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. For example, 3x square minus 8x plus 9 is a quadratic polynomial in x. 4y square minus 9y plus 5 is a quadratic polynomial in y. Z square minus 11z plus 18 is a quadratic polynomial in z. Next, we have cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. A cubic polynomial in x is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Let us consider if a is equal to 0, then in that case the degree of this polynomial will not be 3. So it cannot be cubic polynomial in that case. That is why for every definition I am asking you that a, that is coefficient of the first term, it should not be equal to 0 in that case. For example, here we have 4x cube minus x square plus 6x plus 3 is a cubic polynomial in x. 7y cube plus 5y square minus 8y plus 9 is a cubic polynomial in y. 8 minus z cube is a cubic polynomial in z. Next, I have biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. A biquadratic polynomial is of the form fx is equal to ax raised to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a, b, c, d and e are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. For example, here I have x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5 is a biquadratic polynomial in x. 3y to the power 4 plus 8y cube minus 5y square plus 7 is a biquadratic polynomial in y. In the same way, 6z to the power 4 minus 9z square plus 1 is a biquadratic polynomial in z. Now, on basis of number of terms in a polynomial, here different types of polynomial I have considered. And the first one is monomial. A polynomial containing one term is called monomial, since mono means one. For example, 9 minus 14, 6x minus 8x square, 5x cube, 2x raised to the power 4, etc. are examples of monomials since they have only one term. Second, I have binomials. A polynomial containing two non-zero terms is called a binomial. Bi means 2. For example, 9 plus 4x. Another example, x minus 3x square. Another, 8 plus x cube. And minus x to the power 4 plus 7. These all are the examples of binomials. Next I have trinomials. A polynomial containing 3 non-zero terms is called trinomial, since tri means 3. For example, here I have x square plus 2x minus 3. This is an example of trinomial. 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4. This is also an example of trinomial. Minus 7x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 6. This is also trinomial. 5x to the power 6 minus 3x to the power 4 plus x. This is also an example of trinomials. Here it is very important to note, a polynomial having 4 or more than 4 terms does not have particular name. What I am saying, a polynomial having 4 or more than 4 terms does not have particular names. These are simply called polynomials. Some other type of polynomials, here I have constant polynomials. A polynomial containing one term consisting of a non-zero constant is called a constant polynomial. In general, every non-zero real number is a constant polynomial, as I have given examples in monomials here. The degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. So that is also called 0 degree polynomial. For example, 6 minus 8, 9 by 14, minus 7 by 12, pi, etc. are all constant polynomials. Next I have zero polynomial. A polynomial consisting of one term, namely 0, is called zero polynomial. The degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. That is, in this case, if fx is any polynomial and if fx is equal to 0, is called a zero polynomial and its degree is not defined. Thank you for today.